If you make okpa like this, you will not like to buy okpa in the market again. You would like to make it by yourself at home because the original taste and color actually worth it. To make a quality okpa, you definitely need this recipe. Let me show you how I made this okpa. This is the okpa I use, already grounded powder okpa. First, I started boiling water because it is warm water that I will use to turn the okpa. Okpa is better turned with water that is not too hot and not cold, just moderate. So I've already put it into the container so that I can put ingredients and start turning. Then I added palm oil. Okpa actually need enough palm oil. You don't do economic while making okpa. You don't do economic with palm oil, and using good palm oil that doesn't have bad taste is actually the best because it will give you a very nice result. Then the next, I added salt. Then the next is fresh pepper that I've already blended. I used red fresh pepper for this. You can still use yellow fresh pepper, but fresh pepper is actually the best while making okpa. Then this is uziza seed that I've already grounded. Uziza seed is actually very important while making okpa. And knowing how to add it is the best. Just add moderate, not too much. After that, then I added water. This is warm water, not cold water. Then it is time for me to start turning it. Yes, you have to turn okpa very well. Here matters a lot. If you don't turn it well, it will form small, tiny lumps of okpa. Thick ones that did not smooth. But if you smoothen it very well with your hand, you get a very good result. If you make your okpa this way, honestly, you would like to make it at home. Even if you have kids, they'll be like, "Mommy, make okpa for us," or make it that style that you normally use to make it, because it will definitely come out nice. So as you are making it, as you are turning it, you are checking the amount of water you are adding. Knowing when to add water and when to stop adding water also matters a lot. See the amount of water I added here, and now it's okay. I'm not going to add extra water because from this is okay. So while making your own, just see the amount of water I added here. You can add it in your own and it will be very nice. Now it is time for me to put it inside leather and then tie it so that I can start cooking. And while making okpa, you don't add the whole water at the same time. You add and turn and check the amount of water and know if you can add more. Doing it this way will give you the best results you need. If you like here, you can double your leather just to make sure that it did not tear into the pot. But if you trust the leather you are using, you can decide not to double. I didn't double here because I'm comfortable with the leather. As I am packaging it, tying it and putting it inside a bowl, I'm not putting it inside pots. I've gathered all of them and put them inside bowl, and now it is time for me to put all of them inside pot. Now my water have boiled up to 100 degrees centigrade before I started adding the okpa. I didn't add the okpa one after the other. I added all of them at once inside the pot. This will make all of them to get done at the same time. If I had added them one by one, tie and add, one will be done before the other, but this method will make it everything to be done at the same time. Now I have started cooking and I cooked for 40 minutes. I'm back to check it.
the taste of this okpa. Oh my god, it's worth it.
And this is it. Seeing it already, I know it is already done. But in case you don't know how you can know if it is done, what you do is to bring it out just like this. Put it inside your plate. You can just bring out only one and put it inside your plate. Because you have watched up to this extent, I'm sending you a heart of love. Julie Kitchens loves you so much. Just open one and cut it, slice it into two like this. Once it is like this, it means it is done. If it is not done, as you open it, there will be fresh okpa that is still fresh inside it. That will still gum in the knife, but this one shows that it is done because it just came out nice. Nothing is gumming the knife and nothing is fresh inside. Everything is ready. If you love what I am doing, you can decide to give me thumbs up, and God bless you. Now the okpa is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.